Welcome back, English language learners. As you listen to today's Easy English Conversations, listen carefully for 7 different ways to say hello and 7 different ways to say goodbye. So let's get started. Hey, Janet. Hello, Shannon. How are you? I'm fine. It's really good to see you. It's good to see you too. How's your new baby? She's doing really well. She's growing fast. How old is she now? She's 7 months old. Can you believe it? 7 months. Wow. Do you have any pictures? Of course. You're right. She is growing fast. She's beautiful. Thank you. Well, I have to go. See you later. It was nice talking to you. See ya. Hey, Janet. Hi, Amy. I love your hair. Thanks. I gotta go. I'm late for work. Oh, okay. Hopefully we can talk again soon. Can I have your phone number? Yes, of course. Thanks. I'll call you soon. That would be great. Bye. Goodbye.
Hey, babe. I don't feel well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I don't know. I just feel sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I will make you some hot soup.
Oh, that sounds so good. Thank you.
You should just rest today.
But what about the lawn? It has to be cut today.
I can cut the lawn.
But what about the bathrooms? It's my turn to clean them.
I can clean the bathrooms.
But what about the laundry? I told you that I would do it today.
I can do the laundry. You just rest today. Good afternoon, Mr. Bobby.
Good afternoon, Janet. How are you today?
I'm okay. What are you doing?
I'm painting my house.
What color are you going to paint it?
Pink.
Pink. I like it. See you later. Have fun.
Take care. What's up, Janet?
Hi, Jason.
How's it going?
Bye, Jason.
See ya.
Sarah, is that you? Yes, it's me. You look so different. I dyed my hair. Do you like it? I love it. Thank you. Well, I have to go. See you around. Bye. Enjoy your day. Did you notice the different ways of saying hello? Hey, hi, good morning, good afternoon. What's up? How's it going? Did you also notice the different ways of saying goodbye? Bye. Take care. Enjoy your day. See you later. See ya. See ya around. Another way of saying goodbye is see you soon, but we only use that if we're really going to see the person soon. So, we hope to see you soon. Goodbye.